How to change your country or your region on Temu.com. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can change your country or your region on Temu in just a few simple steps. First things first, open the Temu app or go open up a web browser and type in Temu.com in it and search. Make sure that you're logged into your Temu.com account. Once you're logged in, go to the upper right corner and click on this language option or mouse over to it and click on Change Country/Region in the pop-up. Now, go to the drop-down on the next page under Country/Region, click on it and choose a different country or your region that you want to change to. After selecting the country, click on Switch button and now you need to go ahead and enter your login credentials to log back into your account again. And now you have successfully changed your country or your region on Temu in just a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.